Let's do spark lines today. The spark line is like a miniature chart that you can use in Excel, and it goes right inside a single cell on your spreadsheet. I will start by clicking the cell where I want to put the spark line and go to Insert. It's right down from the charts on the Insert tab. There's a group called Spark Lines. You've got 3 types. I'm going to go with the line to start with. And I select the data range that I want. This works great when you have a range of cells and that you want to chart across that range, and the result is going to go in that cell O2. Go ahead and say OK there, and there you see you get a miniature line chart right in the cell. And I can even double click that. Double clicking is autofilling's not working in the spark lines. You actually have to pull it down to fill those. And then you can make changes to your spark line. You see you get different color options. You can pick something that suits you. You can add a high point marker, a low point marker. And these are just on-off switches. You've got negative and first and last points. You can put all the markers on if you want, and there you can see it. A little hard to see that. I'm going to zoom in now that I've got them built so you can see a little better. And there it is. And again, I can undo all the markers, and there I'm seeing just the high and low point. Notice I can also go in and change my style now, like the column style. And there again, I'm seeing a brighter color or a darker color. Let me change this to something a little more dramatic. There you can see with the colors. I can see, low is always hard to see. It's just a teeny little blip there. But there I can see my higher ones. The win-loss works good when you actually have negative numbers. And I don't happen to have negative numbers in this case. What I've noticed works nice as well is that it is handy if I go ahead and increase the height of these rows, and that makes my spark lines a little more dramatic. There you can see when I click on them, I'm going back to the Spark Line Tools design, and you can change it back and forth, and you can see it's a little more dramatic if you increase the height. Now you've got all kinds of options in here. You can go in and adjust these to have different options that you might like, how the range is set and things like that. But just as a quick reference, this is great. I love spark lines. Hope you do too.